In this video, we show how to replace the left air shroud on a PowerEdge R7725XD. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover removed, to remove the left air shroud, disconnect any cables running over the left air shroud and then unroute those. And then lift up, run it out under, and then pull back on the clip and lift it up and out of the system. To install the left air shroud, align and lower into the system until fully seated, and then run the cables across the air shroud and reconnect them. And make sure your cables are routed again, and then close the retention cable access. For more information about the PowerEdge R7725XD, visit dell.com/support.